Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing, and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help. Thank you. That's enough for today. Please watch and vote.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all my friends. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak such a beautiful topic, that is mental peace. As we know that mental peace is very important for our life nowadays, we can see that a lot of people are struggling for the mental peace, as they are worries about their futures, about their past, and they goes on a depression, and so they are facing lots of problem, and they are slowly moving towards depression. And nowadays we can see that a lots of students were dying because of not qualifying exam, because of unsuccessful. In the fast forwarding word, so we can see that there is a, if you are time is money in this fast forwarding world. Yeah, we can say that time is money, as money is very crucial for us, so time management is little bit difficult. So I want to say that if you want a mental peace, so you should do yoga, as well as you should go in a garden and sit there for hour, and do not and forget all the hustle and bustle of your life. Just sit and listen the sound of nature, and you will feel amazing, and you will feel amazing. And sometimes sometimes is some sometimes it happens that you did not qualify that exam, and some students are committing suicide. As we know that Kota is the education hub, and a lots of students were dying in Kota because of unsuccessful in his exam. So um, so if this type of mindset is coming in your mind, so you should talk with your parents, because so they will guide you the good right pathway. Either you are successful or not, the parents always see you as the parents always see you as his or her hope. So as we know that William Shakespeare is a big uh, big poet. He said that uh, yesterday was the history and tomorrow is the mystery, but today is a gift. So um so Mahatma Gandhi has also said that be the change if you want to see in the world. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all my friends, for listening this speech. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Akmal from Gomot. Our topic was Mental peace. You know that if we don't mental peace, then we can't do anything. We can't understand anything because all people will make a noise. Then how can you understand? How can you do? So I don't. Uh, I can't mental peace if there are lots of people. That how can I mental peace? And they are child and they are elder for me. They are younger for me. I don't decide. Only they are children. So I can understand him that you don't do it. And I like mental peace, and the peace is very important in our life. Without peace we can't live in this world. Bye friends.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys I'm here to speak about a new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is peaceful mind. Let's start. We have everything, but we don't have peaceful mind. We will be called a failure because peaceful mind is more important than wealth. If a person is very rich but his mind is not peaceful, then his wealth is of no usable. But a person is not rich but his mind is peaceful, then his life is very good. Therefore, a person should avoid unnecessary stress and try to keep mind peaceful. But the most important question is how to keep mind peaceful. I have few tricks, and with the use of these tricks we can keep our mind peaceful. We should wake up early in the morning and do yoga, do meditate and do exercise at least 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and 10 to 15 minutes in the evening. We should read spiritual books, we should watch motivational videos, we should watch saints and great leaders videos. If we do that, then we can keep our mind peaceful, because peaceful mind is very important in our life. When I feel stress, I go to near the river and sit on the bank of the river, or go to the mountain and sit on the top of the hill. When I do that, I feel very energetic, I feel very comfortable, and my mind keeps peaceful. So I suggest you do these type of things and keep your mind peaceful. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks.